Welcome friends. In this video tutorial we will study about XML elements. An XML element is everything from the element's start tag to the element's end tag. An element can contain other elements, simple text, or a mixture of both. Elements can have attributes. So let's see one example of element. We have created one document which you already know. Example of bookstore. Here bookstore is also one type of element and it is a root element, and in bookstore there is a child element called book. We can also give attributes to element, means here attribute is given category is equal to children. We will study more about attributes in next tutorial. So this is the element. Everything in XML document is an element, as I have said earlier. So title is also one type of element and this text is also an element. Now let's see various naming rules of elements. XML elements must follow these naming rules. Names can contain letters, numbers and other characters. Names cannot start with number or punctuation character. Names cannot start with letters XML. Names cannot contain spaces. Any name can be used, no words are reserved. Means if the words is a keyword then we cannot use that word. Now let's see some of the best naming practices of giving name to elements. Make name more descriptive. Names with an underscore or separator are nice. For example, I give first underscore name or last underscore name, then this is the good name. Name should be short and simple like this, book underscore title. But if I write the title underscore of underscore the underscore book, then it will be too long. So this is not good name for element. Avoid hyphen characters. If you name something first hyphen name, some software may think you want to subscribe name from first. So this is not best practices. Avoid dot characters. If you name something first dot name, software may think that name is a property of objects first. So avoid this type of convention to write name of element. Avoid colon character. Colons are reserved to be used for something called namespaces. So avoid this type of character in your naming element. XML documents often have corresponding databases. A good practice is to use the naming rules of your database for the elements in the XML document. So these are the various rule and naming convention of naming the element and about the element. Thank you.